This is almost impossible to believe. Workers turned discarded ship anchor chains into truck axle shafts. They started by cutting the steel billets into manageable pieces. Even though the old chains were covered in rust, they were actually the most important raw material. Next, the steel was heated in a forge. Then came the long and grueling forging process. Once the shape was roughly formed, the part was placed back into the heating furnace. They focused the heat on the head of the shaft. After the heating was complete, the part was fitted into a custom mold. An air hammer was then used to continue shaping it. At this point, the rough axle shaft started to take shape. It was then moved to a lathe for surface cutting and smoothing. Precision was key, so the alignment of the shaft was checked and corrected. Once perfectly aligned, the flange shape was machined. After the flange was shaped, holes were drilled into the end. Then the splines were milled into the shaft. Once the milling was complete and the part passed inspection, the axle shaft was officially finished. And the result? A rock-solid axle that could last over